Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Java JDK 23 on Oracle Linux. First open terminal and verify whether we have any default Java comes with Oracle Linux. Type Java --version. See, we don't have Java and we can install this too. Okay, I don't want, so open any web browser, then go to oracle.com, then click on products, then click on Java, then click on download Java. See, here we have the Java JDK 23 and 21. If you want older versions, you have to click on this Java archive. But the installation process for all the versions are same. Scroll down. See, here we have the x64 RPM package for the Oracle Linux. So right click on it, copy link, then go to terminal, paste, duplicate and paste that link. Hit enter. See, here its size is 231 megabytes. Here also it is same. Okay, we have successfully downloaded RPM package. ls, see, here we have the JDK 23 RPM package. Let us install it by running the command sudo rpm-i vh, then give the JDK, give the tab to autofill and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now type the Java --version. See, we have installed Java JDK 23. After installation, remove this JDK package, JDK RPM package. RM, remove, hit enter. ls, see, we have removed the downloaded RPM package. Now we will create the sample Java file and compile and execute it. Okay, sudo va r2schools.java. Hit enter. Press I to insert mode. See, this is the sample Java program. I am going to keep this code in the video description. Then save the file. Then Ctrl L. Then run the Java C. Then give the Java file name. Hit enter. Now run Java r2schools. See, we got the output whatever is there in the Java file. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Java JDK 23 on Oracle Linux. For more Java and Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.